Well, folks, I couldn't go anywhere yet again. I'm up here with these fabulous gates, and I got attacked with Cameron here, shouting at me about my unit. They'll wear the same clothes all the time, the Apex Garden Buildings in Falkirk. He's trying to tell me, let's see if it's right enough. Where is the Apex Garden Sheds in Falkirk, Cameron?
We're originally from a village called California, but we're based in Falkirk.
California, well I'll be flying my California flag tomorrow for these boys. Anyway, he's going on there about my uniform, wearing the same clothes all the time. Well, I'm going to tell you something now. I'm going to show him something now. We're the same, a pair of these in the house, look at that. A pair, a red and a yellow in the house that I wear all the time, and I don't care. Because I'm up here in Motherwood and what? You like them?
That's brilliant.
If you want another pair in the house, Cameron,
I'll
I'll send them up to you. What's your name, buddy?
I'm Craig.
That's Craig.
Chris.
Now there you go. Apex Sheds in Falkirk meeting up with the mighty WSH fencing. We could go nowhere. And Davies used up talking to a state DGA joinery. Let me assure you, they'll go and share this tonight and they'll say they met the mighty WSH fencing, and I will say I met the mighty Apex Garden Buildings. And it looks a good product by the way in their van. I've seen them on up there. It looks the mighty. It looks good. They're up there with the mighty WSH level of workmanship. So she's all there, folks. Go on Facebook tonight and share it. Other family and all that with their mate them all the way. This man's looking for a new 2p. Dale Boyle sort that out by the way. So she's all there, folks.